History and shipping. Get 50% off and order online with free shipping at LITBLINDS store on YouTube channel. Creative and stunning zebra blinds. Zebra blinds, also known as dual layer or day-night blinds, offer a stylish and versatile window treatment solution for any space. These innovative blinds feature alternating panels of sheer and opaque fabric that can be easily adjusted to provide varying levels of light control and privacy. The unique design of zebra blinds allows you to effortlessly transition between sheer and solid panels with a simple pull of the cord or push of a button, giving you complete control over the amount of natural light entering your room. Whether you want to enjoy a bright, airy ambience during the day or create a cozy, intimate atmosphere at night, zebra blinds can adapt to suit your preferences. Additionally, these blinds are available in a wide range of colors, patterns, and fabrics to complement any interior decor scheme. With their modern aesthetic and practical functionality, zebra blinds are the perfect choice for enhancing the beauty and functionality of your windows while adding a touch of sophistication to your home or office. Zebra blinds are not just a practical solution for controlling light and privacy, they also serve as a stylish statement piece in any room. The alternating sheer and opaque panels create a striking visual effect, adding depth and texture to your windows while simultaneously softening the incoming sunlight. This unique design feature not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your space but also allows you to customize the ambience according to your mood and the time of day. Whether you're looking to create a bright and airy environment for a morning brunch or a cozy and intimate setting for a movie night, zebra blinds offer the flexibility to adapt to your needs seamlessly. Furthermore, their durable construction and easy-to-use functionality make them a practical choice for everyday use, ensuring years of reliable performance and effortless operation. From modern minimalist interiors to traditional homes, zebra blinds are a versatile window treatment option that can elevate the style and functionality of any space with ease. In addition to their aesthetic appeal and practical functionality, zebra blinds also offer numerous benefits in terms of energy efficiency and convenience. The adjustable design allows you to optimize natural light while minimizing heat gain or loss, helping to regulate indoor temperatures and reduce energy consumption. By controlling the amount of sunlight entering your room, you can also protect your furniture, flooring, and artwork from harmful UV rays, prolonging their lifespan and preserving their beauty. Moreover, zebra blinds are incredibly easy to clean and maintain, making them an ideal choice for busy households or commercial spaces. Unlike traditional blinds or curtains that require frequent washing or dry cleaning, zebra blinds can be simply wiped down with a damp cloth or vacuum to remove dust and debris, saving you time and effort in upkeep. Furthermore, zebra blinds are available in a variety of operation options, including manual control with cords or chains, as well as motorized systems that can be operated remotely with a smartphone or smart home automation system. This allows you to adjust your blinds with the touch of a button, providing ultimate convenience and accessibility, especially for hard-to-reach windows or individuals with mobility challenges. Overall, zebra blinds offer a perfect balance of style, functionality, and convenience, making them a versatile and practical window treatment solution for any home or commercial space. Whether you're looking to enhance the beauty of your interior decor, improve energy efficiency, or simply enjoy greater control over light and privacy, zebra blinds are sure to exceed your expectations. Zebra blinds stand out as a contemporary window treatment solution that seamlessly combines form and function. Their sleek and sophisticated appearance adds a touch of modern elegance to any room, making them a popular choice for homeowners and interior designers alike. The innovative design of zebra blinds not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your windows but also provides practical benefits such as enhanced light control, privacy, and insulation. One of the key advantages of zebra blinds is their ability to filter and diffuse natural light in a variety of ways. By adjusting the position of the alternating sheer and opaque panels, you can create different lighting effects throughout the day, from soft diffused light to complete blackout. This versatility allows you to create the perfect ambience for any activity, whether it's working from home, enjoying a meal with family, or relaxing with a book in the evening. Additionally, zebra blinds offer excellent privacy control, allowing you to maintain visibility to the outside while preventing prying eyes from seeing in. The sheer fabric panels let in natural light while obscuring the view, providing you with a sense of security without compromising on style. This makes zebra blinds particularly well suited for street-facing windows or rooms where privacy is a priority. Furthermore, zebra blinds help improve energy efficiency by providing an additional layer of insulation against heat and cold. The double-layered design traps air between the fabric panels, helping to regulate indoor temperatures and reduce heating and cooling costs. This not only benefits your wallet but also reduces your carbon footprint by decreasing energy consumption. Zebra blinds offer a multitude of benefits beyond their aesthetic appeal and practical functionality. One notable advantage is their versatility in adapting to different architectural styles and interior design themes. Whether your space is characterized by sleek modern lines, rustic charm, or timeless elegance, zebra blinds effortlessly complement a wide range of decor schemes, enhancing the overall look and feel of your home or office. Zebra blinds are not just a practical solution for controlling light and privacy, they also serve as a statement piece in any room. Their unique design, characterized by alternating sheer and opaque panels, creates a visually striking effect that adds depth and dimension to your windows. This dynamic visual element not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your space but also allows you to play with light and shadow, creating captivating patterns and ambience throughout the day. Moreover, zebra blinds offer unmatched versatility in terms of light control and privacy. By adjusting the position of the panels, you can easily regulate the amount of sunlight entering your room while maintaining a clear view outside. This flexibility makes zebra blinds an ideal choice for spaces where you want to enjoy natural light while preserving privacy, such as bedrooms, bathrooms, and living rooms. In addition to their aesthetic and functional benefits, zebra blinds are also incredibly easy to maintain. Unlike traditional curtains or blinds that require frequent washing or dry cleaning, zebra blinds can be simply wiped down with a damp cloth or dusted with a soft brush attachment on your vacuum cleaner. This hassle-free maintenance routine ensures that your blinds stay looking fresh and new for years to come, saving you time and effort in upkeep. Furthermore, zebra blinds are available in a wide range of colors, patterns, and fabrics to suit any decor style or personal preference. Whether you prefer a sleek and modern look or a more traditional aesthetic, there's a zebra blind option to match your taste and complement your space perfectly. Overall, zebra blinds offer a winning combination of style, functionality, and ease of maintenance, making them an excellent choice for any home or office environment. Whether you're looking to enhance the beauty of your interior decor, improve light control and privacy, or simply add a touch of sophistication to your windows, zebra blinds are sure to exceed your expectations. Overall, zebra blinds offer a perfect blend of style, versatility, and practicality, making them an ideal choice for modern living spaces. Whether you're looking to elevate the aesthetics of your interior decor, improve light control and privacy, or simply streamline your daily routine.
Lit Blinds required professionals for blinds installation. Contact us for Become Our Partner. Order online or free shipping. Lit Blinds work in different countries: Canada, USA, UK, Australia, New Zealand, and Dubai. Lit Blinds provide free shipping and get 50% off in each countries. Order quickly to save your amount. Contact US Canada 514-826-5278 and USA 254-708-6262. Or email islitblinds@gmail.com. LITBLINDS. Store operating worldwide. We are required the skilled for install window blinds at Thanks for
everywhere.
watching. Don't forget subscribe, like, comments, and share.